Okay, just gotta get rid of this. One second, I'm gonna do something as well. I'm gonna change it to 5.7K. Do old people smell like cucumbers? New theory. Hello. Today we're doing something on Red Bull. Okay, so this is not creepy. So ominous. All of the chemicals and reagents needed for the total laboratory synthesis of the chocolate.
Oh no! No!
Oh my god. It's really bitter. It's so bad. It made like a little heart. Stocked up on like how many propane canisters. The only thing is that last time there was a, oh, nice piece of a razor blade. The tapioca balls are coming back. Just need time. It's like it's stuck to my tooth. Look at the white goo. What is that? I'm acting like I've never been outside before.
Yeah, but for real, what is that?
I don't know. Okay.